Hey everybody, Not So Frog here, and before I actually made my small hand cannon, it was pretty fun and it shot stuff pretty far and pretty powerful, but I wanted something with more power and I wanted something for bigger projectiles. So I made this, and this is basically just my big cannon. It's pretty fun, and I guess today I'm just going to show you some shooting with it, because there's not much to explain about it. It's basically just an upgraded version of the hand cannon I made. So yeah, let's get to that shooting then. So I got my little cousin Carter here. You can say hi if you want.
Hi.
And we're just going to shoot this rip-off Perrier water bottle first thing. Onto that cardboard target over there. You just put it in the muzzle, and then just carefully slide it down. Right there. Alright, watch out, Carter. There. Okay, make sure behind me. Alright. Oof. Hit a bit low, but it knocked that thing right sideways. Alright, now we're going to shoot a black pool ball. There's a little malfunction in the launcher, but we fixed it, and now it should work better than ever, I hope. Oh. Roll that in there. There we go. There. Okay. Woohoo! That works.
Yeah.
Slammed right into it. Alright, now I'm just going to shoot this rock, just for fun. Alright. Make sure behind me. Woohoo!
That was good.
Yeah. Broke right through it. Right there. Now we're going to shoot an empty can of spray paint. Some white spray paint. See what happens. Yeah. Alright. Ooh, look at it, stuck in there.
What the?
That's funny. Try and pull it out. Wow, that's a big hole. Yeah. Oof. Alright, now we're going to shoot this baseball bat. This is going to be fun.
Yeah.
See that?
I wonder what this is going to do.
Yeah.
I
Might not fly too far, but it's going to hit it pretty hard.
Yeah. You should actually go pretty close to it.
Yeah, might as well.
Yeah.
Alright.
Here we go.
Baseball bat.
What the?
It made a big hole in it. Look at that. Ooh.
Bring the
Wow.
camera over here.
And now we're having a lot of difficulties with the shuttle inside. It tends to break. So just for now, this will be our last shot. And I'm going to fill it with CO2 canisters like a shotgun, see what happens. Just put all of them in there. Stand back. Put your safety glasses on.
See if this works, guys.
Alright. Alright.
I hope this works. Oh, I'm so scared.
It sounds fun.
Yeah, I even love this.
I don't think any of them went through.
Look at all these holes.
Look at all the dents, yeah? No, none of them went through, but that was pretty fun.
Hey, this one almost went through. But the
Yeah.
baseball bat did way more.
Baseball bat did the most. Yeah, I think that's good. Call that a day.
Pick up.
Yeah?
Do
Yeah, well, what do you want to do?
I don't know.
Well, usually I just say, like, works pretty good. It just needs to be fixed up a bit. Just going to put in a new shuttle and get that working. But otherwise, it's pretty fun to shoot, and I think it works really great. And yeah, I think he likes it too. So I think that's it for today. I want to say thanks and bye-bye.
Bye.
I want to say subscribe to Not So Frog.
Subscribe to Not So Frog.
Hey, alright. So yeah, alright. Thanks and bye-bye.